before that, let me check how much you learned. Abin? Yes, which are the different types of reactions?
Combination reaction, composition reaction,
Decomposition. Then?
oxidation reaction, reduction reaction, acidity.
That is not a chemical reaction. That's the effect due to oxidation, right?
Exothermic.
Okay, exothermic and endothermic. Then?
Electrolysis.
It comes under decomposition. Okay, Abin, that's enough. Okay, fine. Said, can you tell me the remaining reactions? Combination, decomposition, oxidation, reduction, endothermic, exothermic. Any more? Said?
Combination reaction.
Combination, decomposition, endothermic, exothermic, oxidation. Then, any more?
Redox.
Redox reaction. That means oxidation and reduction. Then, what about changing the position or place? Such type of reactions are known as? Can you tell me?
Oxidation reaction.
That is due to the loss of oxygen or gain of oxygen, right? I'm asking about changing the position. Anyone?
Displacement.
Yeah, displacement reaction. Then one more.
Double displacement.
Double displacement reaction. So these are the different types of reactions that we learned in this chapter. Once again, I'm repeating: combination reaction, then decomposition reaction, displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, oxidation, reduction, then redox reaction, endothermic and exothermic reaction. Okay. Sriram,
Yes, ma'am.
what do you mean by endothermic reaction? Endothermic. All of you, please switch on your videos. Sriram, tell me. Endothermic reaction. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
That's in its word itself. Are you searching for that? Then tell me. Please unmute.
Energy in which energy is absorbed.
Very good. Reactions in which heat energy is absorbed. Such reactions are known as endothermic reactions. I told you, endo means to inside. Thermic means heat. So heat is absorbed inside. Okay. Then what do you mean by exothermic reaction, Shania?
Reaction in which heat is released along the formation of products.
Okay, reactions in which heat energy is released along with the formation of products. That is exothermic reaction. Zovel, what's the difference between combination and decomposition reaction?
Combination reaction means two type of
two reactants.
Two reactants join together to form a product.
Single product. Okay, that is combination reaction. Then what about decomposition reaction? I told you it's just opposite to that of combination reaction.
Reaction in which a single reaction
breaks down to
similar product.
Similar products, that is known as decomposition reaction. So combination reaction and decomposition reaction, they are just opposite to each other. Okay. Then Karthik, what's the difference between single displacement and double displacement reaction?
Ma'am, in single displacement only one ion is displaced, But in
One
double,
metal displaces another. Okay. Then in double displacement,
two ions like
exchange of ions take place between the reactants. So that's the difference between double displacement and single displacement reaction. Then what's the other name of this double displacement reaction, Minha?
Ma'am, precipitation.
Very good. Precipitation reaction. Why this double displacement reaction is known as precipitation reaction? Adulya?
There is white fluorine soluble.
Always not white precipitate is formed. Okay. Precipitate is formed. That's why it is known as precipitation reaction. Okay. Then which are the different types of decomposition reaction? Gauri?
Exothermic.
Which one?
Exothermic.
Different types of decomposition.
Endothermic.
No, three types based on different forms of energy, heat, light, electricity. Tell me.
Electrolysis.
Yes.
Photolysis.
One more. Thermal decomposition. Okay. Then which are the two effects of oxidation in daily life? Ashik? Ashik, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me which are the two effects of oxidation in daily life? What's the name of the term that happens, the oxidation to metals? Can you tell me?
Cross.
That's right. Corrosion.
Right.
Then one more effect. Anyone, please tell?
rancidity.
Rancidity. So corrosion and rancidity are the two effects of oxidation that we can observe in our daily life. Then which are the methods to prevent this rancidity in food products? Anjali Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
By adding antioxidants to food,
Adding antioxidants.
storing food in a tight container,
Then,
keeping them in the refrigerator,
okay. Then
displacing oxygen and the carbon dioxide containers with another gases.
replace this oxygen with which gas?
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen. Okay, fine. So in this way, you should learn the complete chapter. Okay. Then we can discuss the remaining questions. All of you, please switch on your videos. Devasena, Kshetra, Emerin, Sean, Anthony, Maxi, Melita, Bastin, Sania. The next question we are going to discuss, sixth one, right? So it's balance the following chemical equations. You have to balance the following chemical equations. So the first question, HNO3 plus CaOH twice gives CaNO3 twice plus H2O. So this is the first question. You have to balance this chemical equation. Okay. Please tell me whenever you finished, okay? Oh, okay, Karthik finished. Jerlin. Minha. Those who do not switch on their videos, please switch on. What about others? Completed. Sania. Okay, let me check. Jerlin, can you tell me your answer?
2HNO3 plus CaOH twice
2HNO3 plus CaOH twice gives
CaNO3
Hmm.
twice
Hmm.
plus 2H2O.
Okay, plus 2H2O. Then we can check if this is balanced one. Okay. First one, the number of hydrogen. In the left hand side, it is. Tell me.
1, 2.
4.
2 plus 2, right? So it's 4. Then right hand side. Tell me.
4, ma'am.
Yeah, 2 into 2, 4. Next one, nitrogen. In the left hand side, it is how many nitrogen atoms?
6.
Nitrogen.
3.
ma'am.
1, ma'am, 2.
It's
2 ma'am,
2,
2 ma'am.
right? This 3 is for only oxygen. And this 2 is common for every element. So here it is 2. Then what about right hand side?
2 ma'am.
2. This 2 is for nitrogen. Okay. Then next one, oxygen. Tell me, how many oxygen atoms are there in the
Seven.
left hand side?
7.
Mm,
8 ma'am, 8. 8.
8,
It's
ma'am.
8, right? 2 into 3, 6 plus 2. It's 8. Okay, then what about right hand side?
8 ma'am.
8,
Yeah, 3 into 2, 6. Then plus 2, 8. Then what about calcium? In the left hand side, it is
1.
1. Right hand side,
1.
1. So this is a balanced chemical equation, right? So those who did not get the answer, you can write this balanced chemical equation. Do you have any confusion to balance the chemical equation? Anyone? You should practice such questions. Otherwise, you cannot able to balance. Finished? Okay, then we can move to the second question. Okay, then do this. NaOH plus H2SO4 giving Na2SO4 plus H2O. Yeah, Karthik finished. Minha, Jerlin, what about others? Finished? Sovel, finished?
1,
Yeah, been finished. Srihari, Adulya, Shania, Sania, Kshetra. Kshetra, can you tell me the answer?
2NaOH plus H2SO4
To NaOH plus H2SO4.
gives Na2SO4
Hmm.
plus 2H2O.
Very good. Plus 2 H2O. Then we can again check. Na, the left hand side,
2, ma'am.
right hand side,
2,
2. Next, oxygen. Left hand side,
5,
5,
4 plus 2, right?
6,
Yeah, 6. Then in the right hand side,
6,
yeah, 6. The next one, hydrogen. Tell me. The left
4,
hand side,
4,
yeah, 2 plus 2, 4. And the right hand side also,
4, ma'am.
4,
4. Sulfur. Tell me.
1,
1,
1. Right hand side also.
1.
1.
So this is correct. Balanced chemical equation. Now it is balanced. 2NaOH plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus 2H2O. Okay, then we can write the next question. I think all of you finished. Yes. Yes. Okay, next question. NaCl, not 3, sorry, C plus AgNO3 gives AgCl plus NaNO3.
Ma'am,
Yes.
it's balanced.
Okay, fine. This is balanced one. No need to balance. Okay. So first you have to check whether the given equation is balanced or not. So you can write it is balanced. Because sodium, chlorine, then silver, nitrogen, everything. One in the left hand side and right hand side. In the case of oxygen, it is 3. That's it. Okay, so the next question. BaCl2 plus H2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus HCl. It's also very simple. Yeah. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ashik. Ashik,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the answer? Please switch on your video. Please switch on. Yes. Then tell me the answer.
HCl.
Huh?
2 HCl.
Okay. Only 2 here, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That's correct. It's balanced chemical equation. Okay, you can again check. Ba, here it is 1, here also 1. The next one, chlorine, here it is 2, here also 2. Then hydrogen, here it is 2, here also 2. Then sulfur, 1, 1. Oxygen, 4, 4. So it is balanced. Finished? Okay, then we are moving to the next section. That is 7. You have to write the balanced chemical equations for the following reactions. It's in the form of word equation. So you have to write the chemical equation and then balance. Write the balanced chemical equations for the following reactions. A. Calcium hydroxide plus carbon dioxide gives calcium carbonate plus water. Are you familiar with this equation? Calcium hydroxide plus carbon
ma'am.
dioxide. Tell me,
ma'am.
which one is this?
Combination.
CaO plus
Not combination. If it is combination, only one product is obtained, right? Yeah, what's Srihari?
CaO plus C
What's the importance of this equation that we learned in which portion?
marble.
Whitewashing walls. I told you, when this calcium oxide is used for whitewashing walls and it is mixed with water, it becomes calcium hydroxide. And when we apply this calcium hydroxide on walls, after 2 to 3 days, it comes into contact with carbon dioxide and it becomes calcium carbonate. That's why the shiny appearance of walls occurs. Did you remember that one? So you can write the chemical equation. So tell me, what's the chemical formula of calcium hydroxide? Anjali Priya, tell me.
CaOH.
CaOH
2.
twice. Okay. Then what about carbon dioxide?
CO2.
CO2.
CO2 gives. What about calcium carbonate?
CaCO3.
CaCO3.
CaCO3. Water?
H2O.
H2O. Okay, then try to make it balanced.
Ma'am, is it balanced?
It's balanced. Karthik? Tell me. Okay, we can check.
Ma'am, it is balanced.
Yeah, okay. Calcium. Here it is 1, then 1. Oxygen, 2 plus 2, 4. Here also 3 plus 1, 4. Next one, hydrogen. Here it is 2. Here also 2. Then carbon, 1, 1. It's a balance. Therefore, it is a balanced chemical equation. Finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then next question. Zinc plus silver nitrate gives zinc nitrate plus silver. Did you got the answer? Yes, Karthik. Okay, I will help you to write the chemical equation. Okay, you can tell me what about the symbol of zinc?
Zn.
Yeah, Zn. Then what about silver nitrate?
AgON3.
Ag?
NO3.
Yeah, AgNO3. Then gives zinc nitrate.
ZnNO3.
ZnNO3 thrice. Sorry, twice. Twice. Plus
Ag.
Ag.
silver. Then try to make it balanced.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished. Yes. Okay, Karthik, tell me.
Zn plus 2AgNO3 gives
2AgNO3 gives.
ZnNO3 twice plus 2Ag.
Okay, fine. This is the balanced chemical equation. All of you finished? Then the next question. C. Aluminium plus copper chloride gives aluminium chloride plus copper. Justin,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the symbol of aluminium?
Al.
Al. Then copper chloride? Copper chloride. What's the symbol of copper?
CuCl2.
Very good. CuCl2, copper chloride, gives aluminium chloride. What about the chemical formula of aluminium chloride?
AlCl3.
Okay, AlCl3 plus copper, that is Cu. Okay, then try to make it balanced.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished. Okay. Yes, Geraldine.
Finish.
Okay. Bastin, can you tell me the answer? Emrin, Emerin, can you hear me? All of you, please switch on your videos. Syed, can you tell me the answer?
I did not complete.
Not yet completed. Okay. Swati, can you tell me? Finished? Tell me.
2AL
2Al
plus
Hmm.
3CuCl2
3ZuCl2
gives 2AL
2Al
Cl3
Hmm.
plus 3Cu.
3Cu. Yes, that's correct. 2Al plus 3CuCl2 gives 2AlCl3 plus 3Cu. Those who done any mistakes, you can correct it. Okay. Okay, then the next question. Barium chloride plus potassium sulfate gives barium sulfate plus potassium chloride. Can you tell me which type of chemical reaction is this?
Double displacement.
Very good. Double displacement reaction. What about the previous one? Aluminium plus copper chloride gives aluminium chloride plus copper.
Displacement
Displacement
reaction.
reaction.
Yes, displacement. Then the B question, zinc plus silver nitrate gives zinc nitrate plus silver.
Displacement.
Displacement.
Displacement. Okay, fine. Okay, then we can write the chemical equation. So, well, what's the chemical formula of barium chloride?
Bl.
Ba chloride.
Cl.
Cl2. BaCl2 plus potassium sulfate. Okay, K. Potassium sulfate. K2.
SO4.
SO. Very good. Then barium sulfate. So, well,
BaSO4.
BSO4 plus potassium chloride.
K2Cl.
KCl. Okay. Then try to make it balanced. BaCl2 plus K2SO4 gives BaSO4 plus KCl.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished. Yes, Gerlin. Abin. Sean. Srihari. Sania. Sovel. Swadi. Shania. Karthik. Okay, Abin, can you tell me the answer?
BaCl2 plus
BaCl2 plus
K2SO4
K2SO4
gives
Hmm.
BaSO4
Hmm.
2K.
2KCl. Okay, fine. It's correct. Okay, then the next section of questions, that is to write the balanced chemical equation for the following and identify the type of reaction. Okay, you have to balance the chemical equation and also identify the type of reaction it belongs to. So the first question, potassium bromide potassium bromide plus barium iodide gives potassium iodide plus barium bromide. And their physical states also mentioned: aqueous, and solid. So can you tell me which one is the precipitate here?
Barium bromide.
Barium bromide.
Very good. It is in solid state. That means it is the precipitate. Okay, then try to write the chemical equation. Then we can identify which. Can you identify which type of chemical reaction is this?
Double displacement.
Very good. So you can write it as double displacement reaction, or otherwise known as
Precipitation reaction.
precipitation reaction. Because a precipitate is formed, that is barium bromide. Then you can balance the chemical equation by writing the chemical equation. Sean, can you hear me? Sean? All of you, please switch on your videos. Jesslyn? Jesslyn,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me the chemical formula of potassium
ma'am.
bromide? Potassium bromide. Chemical formula of potassium bromide.
I can hear you.
Yes. Chemical formula of
I can hear you.
potassium bromide.
KBR.
Very good. KBr. KBr. Sorry. KBr. R plus barium iodide. Jocelyn? Barium iodide. Barium iodide.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I don't know.
You don't know. Barium Ba, right? Then for iodide, BaI2 gives potassium iodide. Can you tell me? Potassium iodide. Anyone?
Ki,
Yeah, it's Ki plus barium bromide.
BABR.
BaBr2.
Right.
BaBr2, not twice. Twice comes when we put bracket, okay? Okay, then try to make it balanced. And can you tell me which type of reaction is? Okay, it's already mentioned. Double displacement reaction.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished. Devu, can you tell me the balanced chemical equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am, 2 K
Yeah, 2 kBr.
plus
Hmm. Bi2 gives
gives 2Ki plus BaBr.
okay BaBr2. So this is the balanced chemical equation of this reaction. Okay, then we can discuss the remaining questions in next class. Before wind up, let me take your attendance. Anthony Maxi. Anthony Maxi. Devasena. Emerin. Karthik.
Yeah, ma'am.
Elsa.
Yes, ma'am.
Soval.
Present, ma'am.
Adulya.
Present, ma'am.
Alna Rose. Arun Bhaskar. Swati Krishna. Dominic.
Present, ma'am.
Dominic.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Gautam. Gauri Nandana.
Present, ma'am.
Jaslin. Justine.
Present, ma'am.
Bastin. Srihari. Then Shania. Kshetra. Melita. Sean. Minha. Anjali Priya. Sania. Sriram. Ananda Krishna. Absent. Said. Lakshmi. Absent. Jerlin. Devu. Abin. Ashik. Akhlam Fatima. Fagad. Absent. Okay, children. So let's wind up the class. Okay. Thank you all. Bye.
Thank you,
See you in
ma'am.
the
Thank
next
you,
class.
ma'am.
So all of you start studying. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Then thank you. Bye.